I'm very happy because partly this is what we wanted when we put the draft plan into the public domain. We want all of you to react. I'm told already more than 600-700 objections or suggestions have come for this draft plan. Levels also, because this plan is not only for the government lands, this plan is for all the lands, but mostly not with the government actually. So when we plan for your land, so we should know whether you are willing partner to it or not. At least you should know that, so that you also plan for that. We are also, as Mr. Bide said, we are extending this time for almost a couple of more months, because last 1 month, 40 days, because of this strike, things could not work what we planned. When it comes to industry here, this body basically deals with the industry issues. Somebody said whether we'll have a protection tomorrow, this master plan, where it says industry, whether it will remain as industry after some time. When Nizamabad industrial estate was started almost 80 years ago, there was nothing there, only industries. Nizam said set up industries and given lands on lease to so many people. Today, how many industries are there in Nizamabad? When I was in industries, of course, now Mr. Appar also knows, the association used to come, you please notify this, give us, we want to use this land for other purpose and all that. Same thing is happening in other areas also. All these so-called earlier industrial estates. In MUD department, we do one program called Change in Land Use. We get so many pressures on change in land use. Though we ask different departments for no objection, we also get promptly no objections. Because till it is notified, others will not know that their land is notified. This is basically most of the areas. Now we are allowing multiple use zones. Once you allow multiple, industry is very difficult to survive. Very difficult, because once the people started living, they will not like, all kinds of pollutants be around. So there is a huge pressure that, you shift that industry, you close that industry. Today we are very sensitive to the environmental issues, so that's why multiple zone concept may not be good for industry, at least. Wherever you say hardcore industry should be there, it should remain as an industry for next 40 years, 100 years. Then only, otherwise, entrepreneur cannot shift every 20 years, and it will be tempting for him to change from commercial, from manufacturing to commercial or residential, which gives him more incomes and all that. So after some time, we may not have industries. As Appar said, when we have to shift some of the industries because of the court intervention, oddly 10 people went out. Rest of the fellows, they closed their industry, they are happy with their land use, because they feel that what should I do? They can't shift industry, he can't shift his machinery and all that. So he closed the industry. That land he is planning for some other purpose, which perhaps he is happy with that situation.